Hello and welcome to Capital Investments, the channel that turns your passion into profit. Our mission here is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to monetize your skills and passions. Today we delve into the world of fitness. The fitness industry is booming, and there's never been a better time to cash in on this lucrative market. Our mission here is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to monetize your skills and passions. If you're a fitness enthusiast or a professional trainer, you're sitting on a goldmine of opportunities. We're going to explore 10 ways you can boost your income in the fitness industry. From personal training sessions to fitness app development, we've got a wealth of strategies to help you maximize your earnings. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a professional trainer, this video will reveal 10 lucrative ways to increase your income. First on our list is offering personal training sessions. There's no denying the appeal of one-on-one training for many fitness enthusiasts. This personalized approach allows clients to work towards their goals under your expert guidance, making it a lucrative endeavor for fitness coaches. The beauty of personal training lies in its flexibility. You can choose to conduct sessions in a gym, at your client's home, or even virtually, adapting to the needs and preferences of your clients. Now, here's where the magic happens. Marketing your personal training services to attract your ideal clientele is crucial. Highlight your unique selling points, be it your specialized training programs or your ability to deliver results. Social media, word-of-mouth referrals, and networking events can be effective tools to get your name out there. Remember, personal training can be a goldmine if you market your services strategically. So get out there, showcase your skills, and watch as your fitness coaching business thrives. Secondly, consider conducting fitness classes. The beauty of group classes is that they can be a more lucrative venture than individual sessions. By teaching a group, you're able to instruct multiple clients at once, thus multiplying your income potential. But it's not enough to just run any old fitness class. To truly stand out and attract a crowd, you need to offer something unique and engaging. Perhaps you could incorporate elements of dance into a cardio workout or integrate mindfulness practices into a strength training session. You might also consider offering classes that cater to specific groups, for instance, pre- and postnatal classes for expecting and new mothers or low-impact classes for seniors. And don't forget about the power of a fun and catchy class name. The right name can create buzz and draw in curious potential clients, so get creative with your classes and watch your income soar. Third on our list is creating fitness ebooks and courses. The digital age has made it easier than ever for fitness enthusiasts and professionals to share their knowledge and passion with the world. This is a golden opportunity for fitness coaches to create a passive income stream while helping others achieve their fitness goals. The demand for online fitness resources is skyrocketing, and with it, the potential income from sales. You can create books and courses on a variety of topics, from weightlifting to yoga, from diet plans to workout regimes. But remember, quality content is king. Make sure your ebooks and courses are not only informative but also engaging. Be sure to include practical tips, real-life examples, and perhaps even some humor to keep your readers interested. You can sell your ebooks and courses on your website or on platforms like Amazon or through social media channels, providing you with a steady income. By sharing your expertise through ebooks and courses, you can create a passive income stream. Fourth, let's delve into the world of affiliate marketing. It's a strategic move where you partner with companies to promote their products. In return, you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. As a fitness coach, this is a real gem for you. Imagine promoting fitness equipment, nutritional supplements, or even fitness wear that you use and trust. By sharing your unique link with your clients or followers, you can earn a substantial passive income. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your brand and your audience's needs. Moreover, the potential earnings can be quite substantial. The commission rate typically ranges from 5 to 30% depending on the company. So if you play your cards right, affiliate marketing can turn into a significant revenue stream. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture if you choose the right products and market them effectively. Fifth, consider selling fitness equipment and merchandise. As a fitness coach, you're not just selling a service, you're selling a lifestyle. And part of that lifestyle includes the gear and equipment that make it all possible. Your clients already trust your expertise and advice, so why not leverage that trust and offer them premium, high-quality fitness merchandise? This could range from branded workout clothes and water bottles to top-notch fitness gear like dumbbells and resistance bands. But it's more than just a source of additional income. It's a way to increase your brand visibility. When your clients wear your branded gear or use your equipment, they're essentially walking, running, squatting billboards for your business. And the best part? This strategy is scalable. As your client base grows, so does your potential for sales. Selling fitness equipment and merchandise not only boosts your income but also strengthens your brand. Sixth, why not venture into fitness app development? In an increasingly digital world, fitness apps are on the rise. They offer a convenient way for people to stay fit, tracking their workouts, nutrition, and progress right from their phones. The income potential from fitness apps can be substantial. You could charge for app downloads or offer a free download with optional premium features. Alternatively, you could implement a monthly subscription model providing ongoing income. The process of app development might seem daunting, but it's more accessible than ever. You can collaborate with a team of developers or even learn to code yourself. Plus, there are many platforms available that simplify the process for beginners. The key to success is creating an app that is user-friendly, offers unique features, and aligns with your brand as a fitness coach. Although fitness app development requires an initial investment, the potential returns are enormous. With the right idea and execution, your app could become a leading fitness tool. Seventh on our list is nutritional consulting. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in fitness. It's the fuel that powers our workouts and the tool that helps our bodies recover. As a fitness coach, your expertise doesn't have to stop at the gym door. By acquiring the necessary qualifications, you can broaden your scope, offering nutritional advice tailored to your client's specific needs and fitness goals. You might be wondering, where do I start? Well, there are numerous reputable online courses to help you become a certified nutrition consultant. Once certified, you can begin to incorporate nutritional consulting into your services, transforming your business into a one-stop shop for fitness and nutrition. But what about earnings? The beauty of nutritional consulting is that it can be as lucrative as you make it. By offering personalized meal plans, running workshops, or even writing a nutrition ebook, you can significantly boost your income. Nutritional consulting can be a rewarding and profitable addition to your fitness business. Eighth, consider fitness blogging or vlogging. Here's a platform where your passion for fitness meets the digital world. Fitness blogs and vlogs are trending more than ever these days. They're not just a way to share your knowledge and inspire others, but also a potential source of income. Think about it. With the popularity of fitness-related content, you can monetize your platform through ads or sponsorships. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers in the fitness niche who can promote their products or services. The key to a successful blog or vlog is engaging content. Share your unique fitness journey or perhaps your tried and tested workout routines. Throw in some nutrition advice, and you've got yourself a comprehensive fitness platform. Remember to be authentic and consistent. Your followers will appreciate a genuine voice and regular updates. With the right approach, your fitness blog or vlog can become a significant part of your income stream. Ninth, consider offering corporate wellness programs. As businesses increasingly prioritize the health and well-being of their employees, the demand for corporate wellness programs is on the rise. These programs offer a holistic approach to health, covering everything from stress management and nutrition to physical fitness. Now let's talk potential earnings. This can vary greatly depending on the size of the company and the scope of the program. However, with the right approach and a tailored program, you could be looking at a significant income stream. So how do you approach businesses? Start local. Reach out to companies in your area and offer a complimentary wellness seminar. Show them the value in having healthier, happier, and more productive employees. Make it clear that your program is not just about physical fitness but also about overall well-being, including mental health. Remember, you're selling a service that can improve their bottom line by reducing sick days and increasing productivity. Corporate wellness programs can be a lucrative opportunity for fitness coaches. Finally, let's summarize the 10 ways to make money as a fitness coach. First, we discussed personal training sessions, a classic yet effective method to generate income. Next, we talked about fitness classes, which allow you to reach a larger audience. We then delved into creating fitness ebooks and courses, a digital approach that broadens your reach even further. We also looked at affiliate marketing, a passive income stream that can be incredibly profitable. We touched upon selling fitness equipment and merchandise, another great way to capitalize on your brand. We explored the world of fitness app development, a tech-savvy approach to income generation. Nutritional consulting was another avenue we discussed, as it complements your fitness expertise wonderfully. We also talked about fitness blogging or vlogging, a creative method to share your knowledge and gain income. Lastly, we looked at corporate wellness programs, a unique opportunity to make a difference in the workplace. Thank you for watching Capital Investments. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content on turning your passion into profit.